Good morning. It's fucking H day. On my way getting gas, as you can see. Here we go. Waiting on turtle.
Alright now.
What the fuck? Hey, look. Yo, this shit sucks. This motherfucker. Girls are supposed to be the slower. He's slow as shit. Look.
I'm
This
trying to
is
save
why
fuel,
fuel
mileage.
No,
This one right
no,
here.
I'm talking about no. Girls are supposed to be the slow one. Guys are supposed to be like the fast one. But he's slow as shit. He was like, he had to pick out what coat he wanted to pick. Hey,
all right now.
Hey, is that Courtney?
What?
What's
No.
that guy with the Focus?
Justin?
Justin? Is that Justin?
No, that's not Justin.
Oh, look, they're gay.
This is a homage beat.
now listening to a Cheddar production. You are now listening to a Cheddar production. Listening to a Cheddar production. You are now listening to a Cheddar production. You are now listening to a Cheddar production.
Hey yo, hey Rob, hey, what up, wow, what's the deal?
Yeah, 829 Images. My G. Follow me.
Alright. Yeah. Hey Rob is just done. He's just done with this place. But for me, it's just like the people with like bad attitudes for like no fucking reason. Or like when you're trying to film shit, like they'll walk like right up, they'll see you and then they'll walk right in front of you.
You are now listening to a Cheddar production.
Okay, so I'm going to McDonald's, use the bathroom, and he's gonna eat while I say this. There's poop turd in the toilet. Like, this is the girls' bathroom. Like, what the fuck? You think girls would be cleaner? What do you have to say about this? My experience.
I've seen some shit in my work days, and it's fucking ridiculous. And I'm being dead serious.
Oh my god! But this is a girl's bathroom. Like, I don't understand. Like,
Well, that's okay. I've come in one of them bathrooms before, and they throw shit all over the fucking place. Literally, they do.
But no, come on, dog. This is a girl's bathroom. You think that would be cleaner? You know, I'm just trying to figure out, why do you people have, what's wrong with people with fucking attitude problems for like no reason? Like, I seriously don't get it. Like, what do you just live your life with an attitude? Like me, what the fuck? I don't have an attitude. My thing is, I have attitude with people who have attitudes. Like, I don't live my life with an attitude. And then, like, people, like, you're trying to take photos of a car, and they don't look right at you and then walk past. Like, are you serious? Or like when you're recording.
Well, because they go ahead and think that, oh, you're done with the shot and everything. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and take my shot. When that's clearly not the case.
No, that wasn't what they were doing. Like, these people were not taking pictures, though. Yeah. These are people who are just walking. Oh, you can't? Even if you're not recording anything?
Are you recording?
Just me.
Because you can't video cam.
Oh, you can, for real?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.